Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get divorced in Stardew Valley. Sometimes relationships don't work out, even in Pelican Town. We'll cover the straightforward process, the gold cost involved, and what happens to your farm and friendship levels. This guide will help you navigate the separation smoothly, ensuring you understand every step of ending your virtual marriage. To begin the divorce process, head over to the mayor's manor. Inside, you'll find a small book labeled Book of Divorce on a table. Simply interact with this book, and it will present you with the option to divorce your current spouse. Confirm your choice, and the process will officially be underway. It's a quick and direct action to initiate the separation. Be prepared for the immediate consequences. The divorce will cost you 50,000 gold, which is deducted instantly from your account. Your former spouse will pack their bags and move out of your farmhouse, and their unique room will vanish. Furthermore, all your hard-earned friendship hearts with them will reset completely to zero, reflecting the end of your marital bond. After the divorce, your ex-spouse will likely express negative sentiments when you interact with them. If you wish for a fresh start, you can visit the witch's hut and pay 30,000 gold to erase their memory. This magical service will reset their disposition towards you, making it possible to rebuild your friendship and even remarry them in the future, if you choose.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.